Hey everyone, so as you read in the description, I'm going to unbox this. That's what it looks like. I decided to get the larger version because I went to Walmart and I got the third generation of the 11-inch and I didn't think it was big enough. I'd like to do some video editing on here as well as note taking for school. I did order a matte paper, like, not that brand, but a screen protector to try and mimic the feel of paper for when I take notes. That's not in yet. My case is also not in yet. Okay. I'm really happy I returned the first one because this is exactly what I wanted. Even, what size is this? This even looks small. Yeah, it is. But now it almost looks small. So I'm really happy I didn't stay with this 11-inch because then that would feel like a cell phone in comparison. I have two pencils, like stylus pencils to use on this. I got the Apple pencil that was delivered the other day. So I'm gonna try and get it to work. Oh, so this came with 89% charge. This also was ordered off of Apple, but through ID.me so that I saved money. I also ordered this Homder. It's another stylus pencil that I got off of Amazon for like, I think this was $30 something. I'll put the price once I look it up, but this has really good reviews, so if I find that there's little difference in the way that these both perform, then I'm going to return the Apple pencil. So this is the second generation iPad or Apple pencil, and this is the Homder. So this one I have to charge with what? USB-C. I'll go do that now. It's being a little bit slow, but I know that's because the internet that they offer here is not great. I am currently activated helping with COVID stuff with the Air National Guard, so the place where I'm staying doesn't have the greatest internet, so I'm still setting it up. Okay, I'll be back. So I decided to refilm this portion of the video because I realized the way I was filming the other day was doing neither of the pencils any justice. So here's what I've come up with after using both of these pencils for about 2 days. This is the Homder. I'm just never going to feel comfortable saying that word. The only thing you need to know about this one is that you cannot have your Apple Pencil connected to your iPad when you want to use this. You have to make sure, if you have both for whatever reason, that you disconnect the Apple Pencil, turn the Bluetooth on, and then this should connect. If you touch the top, the pencil goes into sleep mode, which I didn't realize at first. So I was trying to draw, and I was like, uh-oh, it's no good. But it works pretty well once you figure out how to properly use it. So let's go into the pencil. This is what it looks like. It draws nicely. and this was a fraction of the price. It charges here with a USB-C charger, and I think originally when I first started using this, it wasn't charged well enough, so it was getting very spotty when it was drawing, but otherwise it works really well. So I've set up the Apple Pencil, the 2nd generation. I left all the settings the same, and I'll show you the difference between how the two work. So now this is like a light pressure, and here I'm going to apply more pressure. And it's a lot more realistic to how, say, a piece of chalk would work on a chalkboard. So what I've concluded is if you bought this specifically for drawing or other artistic purposes, it might be beneficial for you to spend more money and be able to shade and all that jazz. I decided, even though I don't draw often, I already have this in my hand and it's awesome, so I'm going to keep this one. And then this one I would recommend for basically anyone else who doesn't need to be drawing on the iPad. Buy this one. Don't spend your money on this one. So, all right, well, that's all. Oh, wait.